Come closer, Pearson. Come see. Let's see how close we can get to him. Pearson. You heard him? He was talking. He was just talking. It's the big ones. Aren't they pretty? Look how close. Ooh. They do sound like dinosaurs. Connor said they sound like dinosaurs. He was right. You hear them? Yes. Is that cool? I do them. Go try to touch them. Oh. Go try to touch them. Oh. Ooh. They're loud. You hear how loud they're getting? We're not scaring them though. We just stand and watch, okay? Stand and watch, Pearson. Are they cool? That's cool. You like those? No, look, go stand right here. Stand on the side and see. Are those cool, Pearson?